Hi guys, it's Erin Devine from Top Shelf DIY and welcome to my dream living room renovation, sponsored by The Home Depot. Just to quickly recap, 2 weeks ago I won Home Depot's Orange Tank competition at Haven Conference, which means I'll have $5,000 to spend on a room renovation of my choosing. I'm going for a French country cottage vibe with the TV mounted above the fireplace. Once the conference was over, I did some preliminary demo and painted the room with leftover paint in my garage. I painted all the brushed nickel accents on the ceiling fan as well as the fireplace with some basic Rust-Oleum black enamel as well as high heat enamel.